Hi friends, my name is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee and again I am back with a new video. As you all know, I am making videos on this book called The Laws of the Spirit World, and in our last video we have covered this topic called When You Are Asleep You Are Healed and Guided, and in this video I will be covering this topic called Life on Different Realm. Okay friends, and as I always say to you that this book is this long and I cannot cover it in one single video, so what I'm doing is that I'm making videos on each and every topic and each and every uh, concept so that you can understand it better. And what I'm doing is I'm giving number to each and every video, so even when you come, if you come on the further video, you can see sequence wise 1 2 3 4, then you can understand it better and you can get better perception of this video, right friends? So I'll begin, and even you can also connect with me on Instagram. My Instagram ID is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee 1906. Okay, so I will start. Okay, 8th 1981, 8th May 1981. Life on different realms. So as I already in the earlier video said, what is realms? So here Vipsi and Ratu will be talking to us of life in different realms via Khorshid Bhavnagari to us. We are very happy here in the spirit world in the realm 5th, 6th, and 7th. Okay, then also I will explain you about the different realm in a short way. As I in my earlier video I said you realm 1, 2, 3 is like hell, right? Realm 4th is like not even hell and not even heaven. It's like in between. And 5th, 6th, 7th is like heaven. Okay, so I will start. So this is those who are seeing for the first time and not aware about the realm. And do subscribe my channel, like the video, press the bell icon, so whenever I upload a new video, you will be getting the notifications. Okay, okay, friends. We are very happy here in the spirit world. In realm 5th, 6th, and 7th, we never harm each other. So here Vipsi and Rato is telling in the realm 5th, 6th, and 7th, they are always happy and they do not harm each other. We laugh, joke, tease each other and are always in high spirits. We are never miserable or sad except when our loved ones on the earth are sad. Here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us in the realm 5th, 6th, and 7th, they are always happy, they laugh with each other, joke with each other, they crack joke, they play games with each other, but they are never sad, right? They are only sad when their loved ones in the earth are sad. So only that is the point where they feel sad, otherwise they are happy. The soul in the realm 4 are sometimes happy, sometimes sad, and sometimes they feel some jealousy towards each other, but still they cannot harm each other much. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling in the realm 4, the souls are sometimes happy, sometimes sad, sometimes jealous about each other, but still they do not harm to each other. We have a spirit body, so no one can kill us or torture us physically, but mentally it is possible, as a soul in realm 1, 2, 3 are expert in this. Here Vipsi and Ratu is telling in the spirit world, as they do not have any body, so it is very difficult to kill them or beat them, right? It is not possible, but it is very much possible to do a mental torture, and spirits in the realm 1, 2, and 3 are expert in doing this work. This Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us. The soul of realm 4 sometimes fool each other, lie, and try to make those who are disliked very unhappy. They have a little good and little bad in them. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling those souls who are living in realm 4, they try to sometimes fool each other. They try to sometimes lie to each other. They also dislike each other at certain point of time, but they do not harm each other. We don't need a police force or military to protect us. But in realm 1, 2, and 3, you have to protect yourself or you will be tortured for centuries unless you truly repent and call for help. Here, Vipsi and Ratu is telling they do not need any police force to protect themselves. But in realm 1, 2, or 3, you will be tortured for more than 100 of years up to the moment you do not repent or you do not call for help from the higher souls. This has been said about Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us this. every even on realm 4 you have to protect yourself, as someone may hound you mentally. So here Vipsy and Ratu is telling even on the realm 4 also we should protect ourselves. There is quite possibility that someone may harm us. On the realm 5, 6 and 7 no protection is required, as no one would even think of harassing anyone. So here Vipsy and Ratu is telling in realm 5, 6 and 7 there is no protection required, because no one even cannot think in their dreams also to harass any other soul. Our main law of realm 5, 6 and 7 are those: help each other, make each other happy, do any work you like, and help your loved ones on earth. So here Vipsy and Ratu is telling the main task in the realm 5th, 6th and 7 is to help our loved ones, help each other, love each other, and try to take each other on a higher dimension. This is the main goal of the souls of those who are living in realm 5th, 6th and 7. We live so harmoniously on this realm that when soul come here from earth they feel completely free, without fear, sadness, bodily ache and pain. So here Vipsy and Ratu is telling often when soul die and they go in the realm 5th, 6th and 7, they often feel very happy going. They do not feel sad, they do not feel any body ache, they do not feel any pain. They are always in a mood of bliss. This Vipsy and Ratu is telling to us. Love is all around, about all. We live in extremely beautiful place. So isn't it worthwhile to obey God's almighty law so that you can come to the higher realm? So here Vipsy and Ratu is telling to us, if we want to come in the higher realm we should obey the God's almighty law. Whatever laws of the God have made we should follow. We should help each other, we should love each other, we should take care of each other, and it is our responsibility to make sure that every soul comes on the higher realm. So people on the earth, do try hard to follow God's law. Be determined never to go wrong, and we are sure God will bless you all. So here Vipsy and Ratu is telling always be in the way of truth, never harm anyone, always love everybody, try to help each and every soul so that they could come in a higher dimension, and they could feel good, they could feel happy, so that they should not feel sad anytime. So if we follow this God law, definitely one or the other time we are going to come in the higher realm like 5th, 6th and 7th, which is heaven and which is nearest to God, and we can spiritually develop in our life. So this is being said by Vipsy and Ratu in this chapter. As this chapter came to an end, life on different realm. So in our next video I will be covering the laws. The lower realm are full, right? So as I always say that this book is very good, and I always recommend you all to read this book, and I always say this book is this long, so I cannot make this book on full book on one video. So what I am doing is that I am making part by part, so you people can understand. You can if you have any doubt you can connect with me, you can ask me, you can connect with me on Instagram. I will give my Instagram ID in the description, and even you can do one thing: if you have any doubt you can ask me in the comment section, so I can give answer to your each and every comments, and we can get connected with each other like a family. So you, if you have any doubt you can ask me. So friends, do subscribe my channel, do like the video, press the bell icon, so whenever I update new video you will come to know. So friends, this brings to end of this video. So bye, till then, goodbye. You all stay blessed, stay happy, always be at a blissful state, friends. Okay, bye, take care.